Okay, what's poppin', man? We about to do it just like this.
These niggas talking out of their necks. Don't put no coffin out of your mouth. I'm way too paranoid for a threat.
Let's go.
Let's get it, bro. BOT, the money, power, respect. The last one is better. Say this a lot of goofies with a check. I mean,
Yeah, this how we about to start off. Every time I go do a video, every time I do a video, this is what we doing, man. You on the fly with it. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, get up with me, fuck sneak this. First person shooter, I hope they came with 3 switches. I crash out like fuck rap. This Nelly Mel if I had to. Got 2 T's with me. I'm snatching chains and burning tattoos. This I lost too many soldiers, not to play it safe. If he walk around with that stick, it ain't Andre 3K. Think I won't drop.
What's happening, man? What's good, man? Hey, listen. Don't focus on the negative, bro. I know that I've been missing for a minute, man, but honestly, it was just too much going on, bro. I actually made a video for last month, but the whole situation with Kendrick and Drake took place, and that just kind of took me for a doozy, man. But in case you haven't heard, I know, it's kind of late a little bit, but I still feel like it's kind of fresh, so I'm gonna just talk about it, man. I've been wanting to get this video off for a minute, so I'm about to just do it right now. Now, what you looking on my screen right here is DJ app right here, you dig? And I'm showing you this because I think I'm gonna start just utilizing this more, because on Twitter, let me go find my Twitter page right quick, or X, formerly known as Twitter. See where my highlights are down. Should be up in somewhere. Oh, I guess not. Let me see. I have to search my shit. Okay, right here. Bam. This right here. Okay, basically, I'm just showing you this because, as you can see, this shit got 136,000 views on X, over 200 reposts, over 1,000 likes, man, almost 2,000 likes. Okay, now what I'm saying is that what had happened was, and I posted this on my YouTube channel too, and it's kind of going well. I'm gonna put a link up in for that video right here. But what I did was the BBL Drizzy beat that Metro did, and I put one of Future songs off of his first We Don't Trust You album, and that shit just kind of went viral on X, so I put it on my other social media platforms. But while we here, I'm just here to show that you could really cook up on the iPad. You can do all kinds of things on the iPad. People was actually in the comments. I could go through the comments and be like, and show you how people was like, man, I would love to see what you know what I'm saying, what DJ sets you have, like what club you DJ at, like all kinds of stuff. Like I got you, look at what app is this, somebody said, what app is this? I'm just going through like the different look at this shit slap, this is heat, great promo. And I'm like, man, so I'm gonna just keep on doing this. So what I did over here, as you can see, I had started the beat off, or I started the video off with my little mixture dig, and what that is that's one of the beats that I made, and I put the Kendrick disc that started off all of this shit on that. And I said all that to say is the Kendrick shit inspired me to make beef type of fucking beats. Okay, so the beat that you heard is inspired by the beef that's been going on, because like I said, I had a video that I was gonna post, but it wasn't no beef in it, so I just felt like it wasn't gonna be, you know what I'm saying, I don't know, I may have overthunk, but I just decided not to post it. I'm probably gonna post it after this video, in a couple days or something. But I got that one tucked and loaded, but I wanted to get this one off because I just feel like this is just the time of being right now, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, bam, I got my air horn. I'm just gonna be using this more because it just makes my streams more interactive. Now today I am not screen recording my face because I'm on the fly still. Right now I'm outside my job in my car recording because it's just the only time I have right now, and it seems like it's about to rain, but that's neither here nor there. But okay, now that's on the DJ app. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to go over here. See, I just exported that and put it in my DJ app, because the thing is Logic had an update, man. See, that's what I'm saying. A whole bunch of shit was going on. So despite all this that was happening, Logic dropped the update. So now we're not on Logic Pro X, nigga. We on Logic 11, and a whole bunch of new updates that's really sufficient that came with this. And it's kind of, it's kind of funny that I'm using the DJ app to do the to strip the isolate. You know what I'm saying, to isolate the vocals, But now Logic actually has the technology up there where you could isolate. You know what I'm saying, the sounds. You could take the. You know what I'm saying? You could take the drums out, you could take the vocals out, you could take the melody out, and you could, flip it out, all of that type of shit. And you could just do that by pressing edit and hold on. Bam. Okay, that's pretty much the beat right there. And yeah, I'm gonna go over a couple of the things that Logic actually added, which is this chroma shit. It's like what it is, ChromaGlow. Yeah, I've been using it. I've been kind of recording vocals and stuff too, and kind of been using that on different vocals and everything. Yeah, ChromaGlow, that shit it's like a compressor, and it just makes everything just sound better. Man, just put a little bit on there. But you got your ChromaGlow, that's a compressor. You got the studio session, and this is another thing. Also, this is an iPad Mini 6, because I know they were saying that a lot of the stuff won't work on the 9M1 iPads, and I have an iPad Mini 6 running the latest software, so I could do the stem splitting. I could use ChromaGlow. All right, man, let's get back into it, man. Check this out, though. Thank you for 288 subscribers. I think we had 288 subscribers. Let me see. I think we had 288 subscribers. Yeah, man, we almost had 300 subscribers, man. Okay. Yeah, man. Okay, yeah, man. Thank you for 288 subscribers, man. We is moving, bro. I appreciate that so much, bro. We about to keep it moving, though. But okay, first we about to go with the sample right here, and all right, we'll pause up right there. And this the sample right here, and I got the tempo currently at 163. The original tempo was at 155. You can see it right there. And I'm gonna play the original sample so you can kind of hear where we. Okay, you can see that right there. Okay, so that's the sample right there. And as you can see, all I did was I sliced it up. You can see up here the quick sampler. I sliced it up and I just really just used it and just looped it over and over basically. And that gave me play it by itself. And this is how it went. Yeah, as you can see how that went right there. I just really just sampled it. And then I put the halftime on here. This is the beat breaker. This is the Logic halftime and gross beat, basically. Okay, so I put that on about 50%, and I just put a little EQ on there. Took out some of the lows. Took out some of the lows, some of the highs, and some of the mids, just to make it not so harsh, you know. So that's that right there. And then I got this sample right here. And basically this is the same thing. It's the same thing. I use the ChromaGlow on here, but basically I just it's the same. Let me solo it. Okay. Yeah, so basically that's the same thing, just pitch down 12 cents, as you can see. Same thing, just pitch down. So okay, so that's that with that. Don't press that one, my boy. All right, bam. So then I got my kick right here. That starts off right here.